at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? We're on the way to LA. I'm on the Ultra Bee right now. Got my friend Caleb with me. We're gonna go meet up with a couple more of our friends at the Metro. I can barely see anything. Finally scraping the fender. Brought the spark stick down. Now I could scrape the bare fender. So I know last bit I said that I'll land the no hand drag. I've been practicing all week and I still wasn't able to land it. But we are getting super close. I'll put up a picture. That's how close I was like 3 days ago and I got closer. So I should be getting it any day now, or any second now. And then once I get that, we could run double hand drag. I could full pump now. I also got way closer to elbow drag. I'll put up a picture. So I can almost get both of those. And then I'm trying to go deeper on foot brake. I hand drag on foot brake. Ooh. All right guys, we made it to the Metro station. Now we're just gonna wait for our friends. All right guys, made it to the Metro. Finally bears fender scraping. Look how short that is. Let's go. I don't know if I told you guys, finally a floating rotor. With the e-bike garage, dual caliper mount, so much better. My braking power is so much better. And I can bear fender scrape. Let me know what you guys think I should do to the build. But now let's wait for my friends. Let's go. So we're heading to the Rideout now. It starts in 30 minutes. We're actually early now. Unlike last time we got there the second it left. And the time before that, it was already gone. We had to catch up. Bro, LA cops do not care for nothing. Yo guys, we made it to LA. Bro, there's so many more people than last week. Last week was so bad. It's so good right now. Yo. Time.
I know! You're fucking insane. I've seen your video!
Yeah, thank you. Alright guys, I've been Sur-Ron swapping my CR80. That video should be coming out soon. I've been working on it for like the last month. A few videos ago I was talking about how I just painted it and I fully built it. We got the motor welded on, everything, it runs. So in the next few videos, that video should be coming out. I'm just still doing a few finishing touches. Yesterday I got the plastics. It looks so good. And let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Bro, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Bro, look how big the Rideout is. It's like a mini mega ride. We're on Rodeo Drive. Let's go. If only I could play a blue band without getting copyrighted. Rolls Royce. Oh. Wonder how far we are from Chrome Hearts. Cutting up to the front. All right, Q2 Long Beach. What's up, guys? Made it back to LB. Alright guys, we're almost back. LA ride was so much fun. There's so many people. Unlike the last ride where like there's like 20 people. So it was so good. There's another one next week. So we're gonna go to that. But next week's video, there's a few new jump spots I wanna go to. So we're gonna go check those out. So yeah, we're gonna go run those. One's a cement jump, one's a grass. There's one super fun I've been to, but the other one I haven't. Yo!
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could